gonna disassemble this box, yeah, which allows me to access the air filter. So number one, can you see the two brackets here? There's one bracket here, and then there's another one here. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So both of these requires to be removed. Okay. So just gonna loosen them up. You don't have to remove them all. Just loosen them up. Okay. And then disconnect these sensors. To do so, these sensors have a clip on them. So you can see this clip here. Yep. So you need to press that clip down. Up, not down. I said down and I'm pulling up. So up and back. Yeah. So just remember which one goes which. So that one, the long one, goes here, and that one as well. So it's easier for us to work. Okay. Just tuck them on the side, so they're away off you. And next we need to remove this box. This box is connected together, they held back together with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, Phillips screws. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna get the Phillips screw and I'll be right back. We have removed all 6 screws. Next in our step, there's a pipe here that needs to be disconnected. This one here.
Give me 2 seconds. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. It needs to be pulled out. Let me see if I can use the screwdriver to persuade it. Come out. Yeah, it's coming out. Mm-hmm. Just remember not to break it. It just needs to come out straight, like that. Okay, you see it? Mm-hmm. Just come out. Okay?
Yeah.
Like so.
Perfect.
And just do remember to put it back though, yeah? When you're done. So, I'm just gonna move it out of the way for now, here. Mm-hmm. Okay? And do remember to put it back. Just it's out of the way here. Okay? Now, next, I'm gonna lift this one up and pull it out. Okay, lift up and pull it out. Now, if it doesn't come out, it means I haven't disconnected these properly. So I need to continue on turning these. Okay, so turning these. Again. Okay. You pull these pipes out. They are a little bit tough, but don't worry, they do come out. And this one here. Same thing. Yes, I got this one out. You can see that? Mm-hmm. So I need to do the same with this one. Like so. Okay. Yes. Now that it came out, so this one, it's gonna lift this one out. And that is the air filter.
The air filter.
Let's take a look at these ones. That's how it is. It's nice and clean. I'm happy about it.
Yeah.
Usually it's the debris inside. If there's no debris, that's great.
Yeah.
I'm happy about that. Okay? This is very good news. Now that we have the air filter, I'm gonna remove this. Can you see how dirty it is?
Yes.
I'm gonna show you. Just come here. See this?
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's bad.
Try it on the other side. Wow.
So if you are doing the air filter, now would be a good time to put the air filter, close up the gap, and you're good to go. But we are going to do more. So here, can you see there are some debris? Can you see these debris?
Yes. Yeah.
They need to be hoovered. Okay. Now to access the oil filter, you can probably get to it. But why make my life hard when this box is already loose? Okay. And there's is it called gourmet? Rubber, piece of rubber?
Oh, maybe, yeah.
That is held by. So what you need to do, let's remove it. It would make our job much easier to access this fuel filter. Okay?
Yes.
So to do it, you have to pull up and left. Okay. Here. So that's the gourmet here. Can you see it? Look. So it's one here, and one there. It's almost out now.
Show it again.
So here, one here. There's one here goes down inside, and there's one here that is about to get loose. Let me see. And then we have it at the bottom. That's it. That's going out. Oh, it fell down. Okay. Did you see how the one it fell down?
I don't know if the camera picked it up.
Let's see. I will take it out so for you to see. Okay. So we need to take it out this way. to wiggle it out. Ooh, wow. Okay, so can you see? I will show you. So it was this way. It was this way, and there's one here. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was one here. There's one here.
Oh yes, yeah.
And there's one here.
Yeah.
And then here, you see this one?
There, yes.
Yeah. Something was inside it. I'll show you which one. So the bottom one is here. Let me show you on this here. On the bottom one, it was this one. Yeah, needed to go in. And then on the side, it was this one that goes in like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah. So pretend it's this way inside. Yeah. So on the side this way, then you have this one.
Yeah.
And you have this one on top. So you have two garment here.
Yeah.
Sorry, not garment. What am I calling?
Oh,
Piece of rubber here.
Yeah.
Piece of rubber here, and then a piece of rubber here.
Yes. And then the third one is on the other side. Yeah.
And then the third one is to
There.
lock this one in.
Yeah.
Okay. So this needs also cleaning. We need to hoover it. Okay. Can you see this part here? How it goes higher, and it goes higher from here. This is how it needs to fit. Okay. So it needs to be tight fit. Has to be absolutely tight fit. Okay. And it goes down inside this one. Okay. Let's put this rubber in, and we know that it needs to go in that way. No, it's that way. I have to put this one in the hole, like so. Okay, like this. Inside here, and make sure it's a tight seal, like so. See, you need to push it in so it's not coming out. Can you see that? Okay. Next, we have to put this one here. So the way to do it is we put this side first, and we bring it in like so. Yeah. And we have to be careful with the rubber. I don't want it to be removed from its place, so I don't want it to be misplaced. I'm gonna push it down and hold the rubber in my hand. Perfect. Perfect. Now it is in its place. And remember, 1, 2, and it is the third one here. So clip that one in, push this one here, make sure the rubber in its correct position. Now it went in, and he's not supposed to be able to pull it out. If he's trying to pull it out, it doesn't pull out. Now that is clipped in. These two are in the correct position. I just need to make sure that this piece of rubber here is also in the correct position, which it is. I can confirm that it is, because I can see. Can you see how sealed it is? See, there's no gaps, there's nothing. Can you see that? See how sealed it is? So there's no gaps or anything like this. I hope the camera pick it up. I feel like the camera won't pick it up, but that's how it is. Okay, so if you haven't removed this box and you managed to get through the filter and it's all done, next you need to do the air filter. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to do my best not to touch the air filter itself, okay? To keep it as clean as possible. So I'm going to keep it inside the bag, and I'm going to slide it in with the bag. Not with the bag, sorry. I mean like with me touching the bag, because I want to keep it as clean as possible. Like so. I'm going to use the bag like this to make sure it's in. So by the way, the big part goes inside. Okay? In. And that's it. That's finished here. Okay. Now we need to put the lid. Do remember, we have to make sure the lid is sparkling clean like this. Okay. Did you see it? Can you touch that? Yeah, it's clean. And the screws are all in, halfway in, all 6 of them.
Yeah.
Now we need to wiggle this one around to make sure it goes in nicely and neatly. We've had an issue with the camera, but I managed to put the box back in, and basically I put these one on. Next I just have to tighten these ones. So I already tightened them a little bit, and that's tighten. That's tight. Okay, now we need to put the 6 screws back in. Okay, so now we have 6 screws in. Just gonna confirm it's all good. Yeah. 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 You don't need to overturn it, it's plastic, yeah? But the piece of rubber should make it seal. Remember, we have one more wire to go here. One more, sorry, not wire.
Cable?
Yeah, cable needs to go here. It goes behind the filler, the oil fill.
The diesel.
Oil, engine oil filler. And then goes underneath. And then this one goes clip in. All the way in, remember? All the way in. Okay, that's it. And don't forget the cables, or you're gonna get warnings. Okay, warning lights, dashboard. Okay, so that's both clipped in. That's sorted here. Okay, now one last thing to do is to change the cabin filter.